Welcome friends, today we are going to learn the complete workflow of counter operation. So we have come to the supervisor login. Now we will perform the day begin. I will go to the treasury. I will click on confirm. Day end not done. Previous day end is not done, so we have to day end first. I have to adjust the mismatch amount. I will insert that, then submit. Then for the previous day is done. Also, day begin is done. Now we'll allocate counter to the respective operator. For that, we'll go to the booking solution. Counter operation, then allot counter to the operator. I will choose the office name, employee, counter, shift, then allot counter. I will go to the operator login and perform the shift begin. I have come to the operator login. I will click on counter operation. I will click on begin your shift. I will click on begin shift. Shift begin done successfully. So shift begin is done. Now you can perform the counter operation. Let us first check the wallet balance. For that, we will go to the home tab. Then we will click on fetch wallet. And the balance with the treasury is 5,250. No booking figure is shown here. As of now, we haven't started the booking operation. So first we will go to the booking solution and start the booking operation. Now first we will click on quick booking domestic. Here you have to put the sender mobile number. Now a screen has appeared here. All the address associated with that mobile number is shown here. We can choose one of them or can discard that. Similarly, you have to put the receiver mobile number. The address associated with that mobile number is also shown here. We can either select that or can cancel. Now receiver pin code. You have to put the weight here. Now booking a speed post letter. So if POD is given, we will select the POD option, and if postage is given, then also we have to choose the prepaid value. Suppose postage stamp is pasted rupees 20, so we'll put the 20 here. We have to select the mail shape. It is a document, so we'll click on document. Now we'll have to fill the sender and receiver detail. Now scan the barcode or we can generate the barcode. So click on generate barcode. Barcode number is generated. I will click on submit. Now you can view the article in the view cart option. The article is shown here. We can either delete it or can cancel. Now we have to make the payment. So we'll click on payment, cash or QR. So we are choosing cash. Now we will collect the amount from the customer and then click on yes. And we have to print the receipt. Click on print. The receipt is generated. We'll save that and close the window. So we have successfully booked a speed post letter. Now I will go back. I will check the wallet balance. Home. Now I will click on fetch wallet. So you can see booking figure is 33 rupees. Now you can go back to the booking solution. I will start booking to mail booking operation. I will choose book domestic mail. I have to put the destination pin code. I have to choose the customer type. Suppose we want to book service letter, so we will choose one postal service. Now choose register letter. Here we have to generate the barcode. The barcode number is generated. Now we'll click on next. Now you can search the sender details by entering the mobile number or customer ID or email ID. So let us search by entering the mobile number. Click on search. The address is shown here. We select that address. So we don't need to fill up the address as we have successfully fetched the address details. Now go to the recipient details. Mobile number. Now submit. So change the 0 value 9. Suppose we want to book another letter from the same address. So we'll click on return details for next booking. Now we'll click on submit. Again destination pin code, barcode. Now click on next. The sender details is already filled here because we had written the details. Now I'll fill up the recipient details. Mobile number. I'll click on submit. Submitted successfully. Now I'll click on view card. So you can see, put the letter here. Now I'll click on OK. Next, we have to make payment. As we are booking on postal service, so we don't need to pay any amount. That's why the amount shown here is 0. Now click on yes. Now we have to print the receipt. Print. Our receipt is generated here. Now I will save that. Next, we are going to book a parcel. So we have to put the destination pin code. Wait. Now here you can compare and book also. So if we book register letter, the amount is showing that 168. We'll choose walking customer. Speedboat parcel domestic. Click on yes. Now generate the barcode. Barcode number is generated. Now you have to choose the mail shape. So we are choosing box form. Now here to put the length, width and height. Now we are choosing it as insurance type DOP, insurance amount, say 100. Next we click on next. You have to fill the sender details first. Now put the mobile number here. I'll put the recipient details. Now mobile number. Select the customer declaration. Select the parcel category. Suppose book. Now I'll click on submit. Now I'll click on payment. So we can pay through cash or QR. Let us choose the QR option. Now the QR code is generated. The customer has to pay the amount through QR code. Once the payment is done, we'll click on verify payment. The payment is verified. Now print the receipt. Receipt is printed. Now save that and click on yes, successful. Now close the window. Next we'll book another parcel. Let us book a VP parcel. So we'll put the destination pin code. Wait. Mail service type. Deposit detail. Now we generate the barcode number is generated. So mail shape is box type, length. Now click on COD detail. We'll put the COD value. Now I'll choose the delivery instruction. Let's say it will be an OTP based delivery. Now choose OTP delivery. Now click on next. Now here we have to fill the sender details. I'll put the mobile number here. We can save the address. For that, we will click on save address. Now OTP will be sent to the sender's mobile number. Now look to put the OTP here. I will verify the OTP. OTP is verified and address is also saved. Now I will fill up the recipient details. Then I have to put the mobile number. Now I have to choose the content type, ports equipment. Now I have to select the customer declaration. I will click on submit. Submitted successfully. Now I will click on payment. To collect rupees 70. Now I will click on yes. I will print the receipt. Click on print. The receipt is generated. I'll save that. Successful. And then close the window. I have already booked an insured parcel. For that, we have to verify the same. So we'll go to the supervisor login. Come to the supervisor login. Now I will go to the booking solution. Then counter operation. Then insured article authorization. So we can see the insured article is shown here. Now click on yes. The insured article is successfully verified. Now again go back to the counter operation. Come back to the operator login. Now we'll book a money order. For that we'll go to the money remittance. Then we'll choose domestic MO electronic money order. Then you have to put the amount. Say 1000. You can choose the message code. Normal payment, destination pin code. You have to fill the sender details here. I have to check the declaration that the remittance to the payee is not exceeding 25,000 rupees for this month. For that, we'll click on here. Next, we'll fill the payee details. Number. I will click on submit. Then we'll click on payment. Now we are choosing cash. Now click on yes. Now we have to print the receipt. Print all receipt. I will save that. Click on yes, successful. So we have successfully booked a money order. Now we have to authorize the money order through supervisor. For that, we will go to the supervisor login. Now we have come back to the supervisor login. Now I will click on booking solution. So one money order is pending for authorization. Now I will click on counter operation. I will click on authorize money order. Now I will click on fetch record. The money order is shown here. I will select the money order. I will click on authorize. All the details are appeared. So we will verify that. Now I will click on authorize. Money order authorization completed successfully. Now I can go back to the operator log. Let us collect the other fees. For that we will go to the counter operation, then miscellaneous transaction. Here I will choose Aadhaar biometric demographic update. Now I will put the amount 42. Suppose we have done a mobile linking, so we will put the remarks here. Then we will click on submit. Next we will collect the CGST amount. CGST amount is 4. I'll put the remarks here, then we'll click on submit, and then we'll collect the SGST amount. SGST amount is same as CGST. We put the remarks here. Now click on submit. So we've successfully collected the other fees. So let us sell a stamp. For that, we'll go to the booking solution, counter operation, after request for the stamp. So we'll click on request inventory. Request stamp from treasury. Choose the category, denomination, check to, then add. Now click on submit. Now go back to the treasury, and there will approve the stamp. So I'm logging into the treasury. So I'll click on treasury. So you can see one stamp transaction is pending. So click on process. Now can put the remark here. View an issue. So stamp count is 2. We can also modify that. If we don't want to modify, we'll simply click on submit. Then click on confirm. The transaction is processed successfully. Now we can go back to the counter login. Now we can come back to the counter login. I will go to the counter operation. Then request inventory stamp. Now pending stamp with treasury. There is nothing pending. So we'll click on receive stamp from treasury. Now we have to accept the stamp. So I have accepted that. Now we'll sell the stamp. So we'll go to the retail service. Then we'll click on stamp and stationery sale. I'll choose the category and denomination. Now quantity. Now click on submit. We can also view the cart, and now it will take the payment. Cash or QR? Say cash. Now click on yes. So stamp is sold successfully. Let us transfer the cash to the treasury. Fetch wallet. So our booking figure is 1163 only. So we have to transfer that amount. Go to the booking solution, then counter operation, transfer cash. Treasury value, enter the denomination, click on submit. Now click on submit it. The cash is transferred successfully. Now we have to verify that through treasury. Now I have come back to the treasury login. Now here one cash process is pending. So we'll select that and process the cash. Now click on confirm. The cash is successfully processed. Now again go back to the counter operation. Come back to the counter login. Now check the wallet balance again. Home, fetch wallet. So the booking figure has become 0. Okay, let us try to cancel a booked article. For that, we'll go to the booking solution. Now I'll go to the counter operation. Here, we'll click on article cancellation. Now we have to put the article number here. According to the new rulings, no refund will be given to the customer. So we'll click on check status. The article is eligible for cancellation. And click on cancel article. The article cancelled successfully. Let us perform the submit account operation. For that, we will go to the counter operation. Now I will click on common submit account. I will click on generate account. then click on yes. You have to wait here few seconds. After that, we will click on check status. Now here the remarks will become completed. Then close the window. After that, we will click on fetch account. The account will be fetched. Now the receipt and payment difference has to be 0 to do the submit account. So it has become 0. So we can check the figure also. Now click on submit account. Account submitted successfully. Now we'll go back to the supervisor login. So we have come to the supervisor login and go to the booking solution. Then click on counter operations and click on common submit account. Now I'll choose the employee here and click on fetch account. The same account will be fetched here. I'll click on verify account. The submit account verification is done. Now we will perform the shift end operation. For that we will again go to the operator login. Now we will go to the counter operation. Click on counter operation and click on shift end. Then end shift. Yes, so shift end is done successfully. Now we have successfully completed the counter work. Now here, from here we can also perform the day end operation. So we'll go to the supervisor login. Now I'll go to the treasury module. From there we'll go to the tools, then click on day end. Then again we'll click on day end. The day end process will start. So we have successfully performed the day end also. So today I have learned the complete workflow counter operation from shift begin to shift end. Thank you.